of Terra Firma. Coach, congratulations. A huge win, a 30-point of victory to open the conference. Coach, gaano naka-impact or naka-influence yung import na si Mubashar Ali in the way you guys been practicing and the way you guys played tonight?
Well, very coachable eh. Kaya namin siya napili kasi fit siya dun sa team namin. And then, na-challenge sa mga teammates niya, sa mga players. Sa practice, never complains. Kung ano lang sabihin namin, pinapagawa namin, nagagawa niya. So, tsaka enjoy sa practice eh. Yung atmosphere sa practice, very enjoy. So, yun yung kini-create namin culture sa Terra Firma. Kumbaga, kailan pag-practice namin, excited lahat. They want to practice. So, that's why nung bago maglaro, kumbaga, nagkukulang pa nga kami kasi nag-a-ask pa ng more eh. So, for us, yun yung namin yung culture na binago namin sa Terra Firma.